Welcome back, guys. Today we are working on this 300ZX that we forgot to show you guys, forgot to record, and everything just passed super quick that we just sent this thing to the moon all over again. Blue head gasket and two head gaskets, and now we're back at it all over again. It is approximately, what time is it? Like 9 something. It is cold outside. I'm wearing this sick ass vest, well not vest, suit, whatever you want to call it. But we're about to put this engine back together. We blew it yesterday, pushing 15 psi, and now we're gonna send this and do it again, guys, because you know you build, you blow, and you repeat, and you have faith that you're gonna one day push a lot of power, guys. But I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing. Back to Frank. Frank, you want to show him what happened?
Hey, you want some head gaskets?
Oh, I want some head gaskets.
You want some head gaskets?
Yeah, I want head gaskets.
Lucky for you, I got them blown.
Oh my goodness.
As you can see, they're fully blown, like legit blown.
Here, we'll buy some. Hold on, look at that.
See, I was never great in algebra. Correction, I don't even know what freaking math is what. But anyways, I'm assuming shapes is geometry, right?
Yeah,
geometry. I was never great at geometry, and Mrs. Munoz, she would know this. So.
She would know, yes.
Yeah, so I'm assuming with that right here would be the closest thing to a circle you could see in this head gasket. And then right here, you see how perfectly and smooth it is, and out of nowhere, just whoop,
drops down,
and then whoop, whoop. So this head gasket was oh, it's not like it matters where it was.
It's a janky ass. I don't know what to call it. Yep, that's trash.
Anyways, part number 2. Boom, still blown.
Perfect
circle, and then yeet, and then perfect circle, yeet, and then perfect yeet. There you go. See, guys, that is exactly what you want in a head gasket. And might I mention, we put them on without even knowing the brand.
No,
I'm disappointed. You should have known.
What? We should have known better. We're just too excited to put it on.
You should have known better.
Yeah.
As you can see, there's no more car right there. Juan's car is finally running. We were such in a hurry.
Yeah.
You want to give him like a follow-up of what we did or what we found this engine? Just give him a quick rundown.
So, I was up to 1:30 in the night.
1:30 at night. This man should be sleepy. Wakes up at 5:30 every day.
I wake up at 5 every day for work.
5 every day. I don't know what he was doing at 1, but...
You know, previously,
whatever.
Backstory before that, I went to the gym and I drank pre-workout. I couldn't fall asleep, so I was like, why not search for an engine?
Okay.
So, I found this engine in Ellisburg. The guy wanted to sell it with a whole ass Pathfinder. So like a whole SV that comes with this engine. He was building it for that. And
Wait, building it for horsepower?
Nah, just to slap it on there.
Just slap it on there, yeah.
I just wanted you to clear that.
Anyway, I found it and I sent a link to Moises. And I was like, hey, the guy won't sell it unless, you buy the whole rig with it.
Hand tight, Frank. Hand tight. Not the impact.
They're all tight.
Hand tight.
No, I'm not just going. This is hand.
No. Stop using the impact. Put that thing down.
There you go.
Put it down.
Man,
take it away, Juan. Take it away. My man, he was putting these with the impact. You're supposed to.
I wasn't putting those
hand tight.
Shut up! I gotta finish my story.
Don't interrupt. Keep on going what you're doing.
Anyway, before I was really interrupted by these two.
Okay.
So the next morning comes along. I was at work. I was like, "What do you think this guy would sell the engine?" And I was like, because he said in the ad he wouldn't sell it without the rig.
Yeah, basically he wants to everything.
I lost my hope after I read the ad, and then this guy calls me. He's like, "Weren't you asking for the engine?" And then I put my mind to work. And while I was working, I texted him, "Hey, will you sell the engine by itself for a good price?"
Hey, let's not tell Dan we're doing this while we're working.
Dan, I did this while I was working. Anyway, you already know I get my stuff done anyway. So the guy says, "Yeah, I will sell this for this amount of money." And then I made my offer on it, and he accepted it. The same day after work, I drove all the way to Ellisburg, which is 2 hours away. It's not far.
Nah.
And we picked up this engine with approximately well over $1,000 worth of parts. That came with this engine for a really good deal. And in those parts, it was those head gaskets.
Yeah.
So I was like, I got quality parts. I didn't even read the thing because it doesn't even say names on the box. It's over there.
That box right there that you see right there on the wall.
I don't know what brand they are.
Who knows what brand they are?
But I'm guessing they're from eBay or something. Anyway, we put those on, and yeah, we turned it on yesterday. It was having a hard time turning on, so we finally got it started because the engine was really cold. It doesn't like the cold, and we took it out driving. my tuner Christian was slowly. What are you doing, Frank?
Put that thing
He's
down.
trying to be
Put
quiet
it down.
forever.
Put it
He's trying to
down.
be quiet about it.
Put it down.
It has a setting.
It doesn't matter. Put it down.
Give me
Take it away, Juan. Hold it in your hand.
that. Anyway, what was I saying?
That was a hard start. It was.
Right, it was hard to start. So me and Moises go to carvings and stuff, cruising around town. You know, it's really normal. I'm not even hitting boost yet. Then my friend Christian comes along to tune it. We're doing it on the street, legally. You know,
Down in Mexico.
we were doing
Yeah.
somewhere in Mexico. I forgot what part of Mexico we were in, but
It was
pretty
far.
out
Yeah,
there.
it was far away.
Tepic Nayarit, no?
The Peak Nayarit?
It wasn't Tepic.
All right.
Zacatecas.
Zacatecas. All right.
Anyway, we were there doing a couple, you know, slight pulls, nothing too hard. So I eased in it to like
The too tight, Frank.
it was probably around 25 to 30% throttle,
Size of this?
and it hit 15 psi.
That's not too tight.
And then out of nowhere, my heater core blows. It goes boom, and then we start smelling gas mixture with coolant. So we thought the car was gonna get on fire.
Man, we ran out of that car.
Yeah.
Well, Juan Carlos
Well,
was
we
trying to
pulled
brake.
over quick. I turned off the car, pulled over to the side of the highway. I didn't even care if I wasn't even in the side of the highway. I was like almost taking the other lane. And we got off the car. Thankfully, always carry your fire extinguisher when you're doing stuff like
Pause
this.
that. Pause that. Chris wanna hurry up, so if the car would have blown, man, his fat ass was slacking, and I was like, bro, hurry up! This car can turn on fire, and I had the fire extinguisher. Man, it was you know, it was hectic.
Little piece of advice for you guys: always carry a fire extinguisher in your cars,
Always.
I learned it the hard
especially
way.
if you're tuning the cars.
Yeah.
I learned that the hard way.
Yeah.
Frank should know that.
Yeah, my car caught on fire.
Yeah, but nobody cares about that right now.
Yeah, we're talking about
So,
different shit.
yeah, we did that, and turns out the heater core blew. So all the coolant is inside my cab. The floor is all soaked with coolant. My tuner's shoes are soaked with coolant. His laptop got soaked with coolant.
Did it?
Yeah,
Everything got soaked with
everything
coolant.
got a cool.
So if it doesn't work, I am very sorry, Chris.
we are sorry.
But it's your
Chris.
fault.
Yeah,
You sent it.
we did. send
Anyway,
it.
so we only hit 15 psi at 30% throttle.
But it feels so good.
That thing felt so powerful. Like, if I would have put 100% throttle on that at once, it probably would have sent all kinds of parts to the moon.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So now we are back at it. Yesterday it blew head gaskets. Now we're putting everything back together.
Yeah.
Just a quick rundown. This is a full 3.3. So this comes off of an Xterra, like what is it?
98.
98?
No,
No, it comes out.
This engine comes. Oh, no, let me tell you. Hold on, let me.
Let the master teach you.
All right, so
Tell us, Frank. Tell us.
these engines are 3.3 liters. So they come on Nissan Frontiers,
Uh-huh.
Nissan Maximus.
Oh, okay.
No, not Maximus.
No, the Vans.
The Vans, the Mercuries.
Yeah, the
They come
Mercuries.
on the Mercuries and the Frontiers, the Pathfinders, and Xterras. So from the year 1996 through 2004 is when they made the 3.3 liter. In
Jesus.
2004, they did swap to 3.5 liters, but in 2004 they also made the 3.3 for a bit. So with that being said, this is a full 3.3 off a Nissan Pathfinder.
Yes. So Juan's block were somewhere around here. So he had a 3.0 head, which is off the older Nissans. Sorry, bottom end. And that's what we were running for a bit. And then he melted all his pistons. And now it's a full 3.3. I think you guys know what kind of heads he has. We ported those. It has a cam in there. It has also lift.
I ported them.
He ported them. It has lifters and springs. Not lifters, but springs. Yeah, well,
So
you
it
guys
has
know it.
Gen Wolf Technology 266 by
There you go.
266 cams with their springs. So, you know, instead of two springs, the inner and the outer springs is a single spring, which is stronger.
Single spring, as you guys can see.
These springs are still weaker than ones Frank has on his car, but they put in work.
So that's single.
Yours has two springs.
And this is
Mine are Schneider. Mine
two springs. You see that?
That's why I'm saying mine are weaker.
He's saying his are weaker. Yeah. Don't
thought
get all
mine were-
offended here. Don't get
I
all
was getting
offended.
offended. I was like, oh, hell no, I paid good money for those.
Where's your old block? I'm trying to show him.
It's right there covered in the bog.
Oh, right here.
We'll show you guys what happened to his old block.
Anyway, this block is sponsored by Mr. Musk.
It's must.
Because it was sent to the moon and never came back.
Anyway, so this is a 3.0 here, guys, and as you can see, that melted right there. Can you see it? It's not round no more. You can see the piston, and then
It started melting the pistons.
Started melting there.
Each one of them. It leaned out.
I think
But it was a
that's-
full send.
yes. Plus, here, let me show. See, there you go. So, guys, you guys can see right there, lighting. VG30. You see that?
And then that's how you know what block it is. A
A
series
series
block.
and all the way lighting
Right there.
right there. A series.
A series.
And then on this one, now you can't. There you go. VG33.
VG33.
There you go. So that's a block it is, guys. This is a full VG33. And we're gonna try to set this, put this in today. We have oil. If we don't have anything else, we might not start it, but the plan is to start it. Everybody cross your fingers, and we'll get back at you guys.
No. Well, guys, welcome back to the end of our video.
Well, not the end of the video for tonight, just
The end of
because
the video for tonight. Okay.
it's getting late.
As you can see, hold up, I'm the weatherman here.
It's getting late. Stick your finger. Approximately how cold it is outside, Frank.
Alright, so. Oh, I can't lick my finger, but you get. Imagine I did. It is apparently 32 degrees outside. There is no chance of it snowing. There's a 100% chance that tomorrow's gonna be a good ass freaking day, though. I'll tell you that. Because you know what's gonna happen tomorrow? We're gonna start this car.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. You know why? Because even though we blew the head gaskets yesterday, we don't give up. You know why? Because everything we do here, you can do at your own shop. And if we can do it. So yeah.
Some motivational,
We're
huh? One.
here.
Damn. All
I
right.
mean, I'm
gonna finish this car tonight.
I'm gonna not be Martin Luther King. Actually, no, that's a bad example. I don't want to get assassinated. But you get the point. I'm not gonna give the speeches, but I can tell you damn right, we don't give up on our cars. So, you want to show them what we already did?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you walk with voices, you'll be able to see.
Apparently,
So-
Juan is struggling with his spark plug wire.
I got you.
So we tied our heads. Of course, they're ARP head studs. We bolted all the valve covers. We got all the fuel system already in there. We already tied our bolts for the header. We plumbed our coolant. Our heater core blew, as you guys know, as we told you guys. So we just put this loop for now, and then we'll fix that heater core later. Everything on here is already torqued down. All we need now is the turbo,
And the manifold.
wastegate, the manifold, and then wire up the injectors. And
Done with injectors.
that's it, right?
These three, just connecting these three. Don't
Yeah.
say wire up because wiring up injectors
For real,
makes
for
it
real,
sound so
yes.
hard.
Wiring
You wanna know
up
what
is my
wiring
car.
up is? This is literally what wiring up is. You just grab this right here and you plug them in each injector.
It's easy. It's easy stuff. But we're gonna call it a night, and then tomorrow we still gotta go buy oil, coolant. So tomorrow this baby shall start
in the morning.
in the morning. Juan?
No,
Juan's not
I
gonna be
gotta
here.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
That's what he thinks. See, I'm gonna start it, even though it's not my car, and then
Drive
we'll
to his
go
house. Drive to his work.
Then we'll go drive to his work, and then he can't get off work. So he's gonna see us drive away.
Yeah, that's what's gonna
I
happen.
think
Juan.
that's the most solid, and
Yes,
best idea.
I
I've
think
ever
so
had.
too. Honestly, I think so.
You guys can't do that, dude.
Yes, we
Yeah,
can. You're not gonna be
beat your
here.
ass.
You can't stop us.
What happened to injector clips?
They're all right
They're
there.
right there.
They're all right
On
there.
your side.
I put them in the same pile.
You lost two.
You lost two.
How did you lose two?
They flew.
How did it fly?
I hit some. I picked up a napkin and then.
All right, you're lucky I'm a hoarder, and in my box I have a couple.
Oh no, I took those.
You?
My dad needed them, dude. In case you guys didn't know.
Oh, I found another one. Yeah.
How did you find them?
What's the magnet?
Best candy in the world, pulparindos. Literally, the red ones are the best. I hate watermelon. That's nasty. Whoever
Yeah.
likes the yellow one, you're a weirdo. Your mom didn't raise you up right. Nothing but disrespect for you. The red ones. Yeah, see? These is where it's at. So,
This is the block. We finally put it together. You know, we did blow a head gasket with head gaskets he gave us in there, but that's because they're a name brand. That's also our fault. We should have kind of known,
Yeah, they were like a cheaper brand.
but yeah.
well, we don't know the name, but anyways.
They were off brand.
We put a good brand head
Yeah.
gaskets on there.
We put Mao, right? Mao.
Okay, so this is a good thing. If you know how to pronounce it,
I say Molly. Juan Carlos, what do you say?
Molly.
Molly.
I say Mao.
So, anybody down in the comments, you tell us what it is. Is it Molly?
They can't
Molly?
tell us. They're
I don't know.
texting it. Anyways, if you
Oh,
see
yeah,
us
that's
in
true.
the car meets, if you see us in the car meets, please
That's true.
remind us and tell us how to properly pronounce it because we've been wondering. But like I said, Saturday we blew the head gaskets. Sunday we took it apart, put it back together. Today we just had to put the turbo and make sure to tie up little things here and there. And now we just added oil and the car starts.
Oh, let me show them the oil that was in it. Thing
Hey,
is,
that's a tole, fool.
that's a tole,
It's a
fool.
little greasy, but it's okay.
It's a little atole. Yeah. Put your finger in there. Oh my god.
Taste it, Frank. Taste it.
Dude, that thing's watery. Don't taste it. Nasty. Nasty.
Yeah, but anyways, that's
All right, so we didn't get the head resurfaced because we didn't think we damaged them.
We checked them and they weren't.
Yeah, so they weren't damaged or warped. At least not like, oh my goodness, you know, like it's like horrible. But we have air PS, so we'll be fine. We're also pushing these engines to its limits on the stock, so we'll start it up right now for you guys. We're all excited. We're gonna take this thing on the spin. This is how we routed the heater core, just a loop like that. And then one of my cousin, only one cousin, he has a Blue Z you guys haven't seen on the channel, but he's going to send us a link on a heater core. It's off of a Corvette, if I'm correct. And you're able to swap that and then just, I think, weld those little fittings right there where I'm pointing my finger, and you should be good. But once I get to that point, I will record it and I will show you guys in the video. And then everybody that owns Z31, if your heater core has blown like our heater core blew, then keep on watching, you guys will know. Anyways, you want to start? Whoa. Get a quick little revies. Dude, that thing is a lot smoother now. Yeah, John. Alright, so we're gonna take this thing for a spin and maybe do a small tiny bit of pull. But you know how it goes. We say we're gonna do no pulls and no boosts and we end up boosting anyway. But we'll try our best not to. We're gonna try to break in the head gaskets and hopefully make this car reliable or reliable-ish, just a little bit. Try to make it work. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was something super random. You know, we just kind of just did it out of nowhere and we were kind of rushing it, so we didn't record as much. But once car's finally running, if you guys see us on the streets, you just wave at us, you say what's up. Hopefully soon we can get some stickers out, and if you guys want some stickers, you know, hit us up. We'll give them out for a certain amount of time and then we'll end up selling them after that. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Peace out.